You guys, we're having such an exciting day today. We are renting an electric vehicle to go for a little drive and explore what it's like to drive an electric vehicle for the first time ever. And we managed to score a really gorgeous Tesla. Ollie is so excited. He is right now interviewing the owner of the car, John, and I will interview him as well for you so you can see what it's like to own and drive an electric vehicle, what it takes, how long does it take to charge it, can you charge it in Alberta very easily. So I'm very excited. We've never driven an electric vehicle before and we've been talking about owning one for quite some time. We're not quite ready to buy a new vehicle, but at least we'll know exactly what it takes to have one. I'm very excited, as you can probably tell. We will take this Tesla to the town of Vulcan here in Alberta. It's kind of a rural area and it's only an hour and a half drive from Calgary, where we are right now. Very excited to explore it. We've never been. There is a lot to do with Star Trek. I'm not a Star Trek fan, but Ollie will be able to fill me in. There is a visitor center that has a lot to do with Star Trek again, so it will be really fun to just explore this little town. Also, the town of Vulcan is known here in Alberta for pushing for renewable energy. So there's a lot of solar panels and wind renewable energy generated in Vulcan as well. So we'll drive around, we'll explore all that, and we'll take you on this adventure with us.
Scavenger hunt here, but not a scavenger hunt, it's kind of like where's Waldo. We're going to try to find where the charging port is on the car.
When the car gets thirsty,
yeah.
You know how we put something inside our car?
It'd be like if you're looking for gas. What do you guys think? Let's try to find it.
What an idea!
What do you think?
Still looking. What's that? Is that the one? No?
Nope, just some bumper. Do you guys need some help?
Yes.
Okay.
At least hot or cold. Yes.
Hot, cold.
I get it.
Are you guys walk around?
Keep working around.
All right, hotter. Getting hotter. Hotter. Getting hot. Okay, hot.
Yeah.
Need somewhere here?
You guys are very hot. Oh, Anna, you are very hot.
Do you want to press it? Maybe you press it?
Try, go for it.
Press.
Whoa!
Are you kidding me?
I know. It's even lighting up. Oh, that's awesome.
Push.
In the car. Let's go to the front of the car.
Shall we go to the front of the car?
What's usually at the front of the car? What do you think?
I think it's
Engine.
Engine at the front of the car. What do you think's in here, though? What do you think?
engine.
Engine?
You think?
You think an engine? Okay.
But
Ollie, we need your help. So you've got the fob. Here's what we're going to do. On the front of the car, on the other side, you're going to press twice. There. Yep. Rapid succession, a little harder. There you go. Perfect. Okay. Do you want to help lift up? You help your daddy. Okay.
Be strong.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see.
What's in there?
someone took the engine off.
Are you kidding me?
How are we going to drive?
Yeah.
There's a big battery under here.
Were you worried at all, like when you went into an electric vehicle, that you'd be able to find places to charge the car?
You know, I think that from what I've seen, I've even done an interview on this for like what the availability of charging is in the city, outside of the city. I think that different providers have done a good job of expanding the networks. Like in the States, California, you can find them everywhere. Here in Alberta, we've got a number of different providers that offer in different locations. Some of them are on the major routes, you know, Highway 1, Highway 2 kind of thing. Depends where you live. In Calgary, I wouldn't worry about it. If you're doing a longer trip, most anywhere you would go, you'd be able to find chargers. And I came into it as I'd been a fan of Tesla for quite a while, and I knew I'd find a way. And that was true. I was able to find a way. No matter where I've gone, I haven't had any issues. I haven't gone like to zero on the battery or anything like that. And I've done like, well, the vehicles have like 100,000 kilometers, more than 100,000 in 2 years. So lots of driving.
Nice.
Yeah, lots of driving.
So no worries if you want to cross Canada or go all the way down to California, come back on a Pacific Coast Highway.
Yeah, exactly. It doesn't matter where you want to go. Like I know that Petrocan has a cross-country one. I know that Tesla's got it cross-country. I know that there are other providers like Sun Country Highway, or you could take a look at, there's like the Peaks to Prairies as an example, has got like a number of level 3 chargers. Those are the ones that help you move along faster.
Yeah.
Flow is another one. I mean, there are plenty of different providers that offer level 3 charging, which usually starts at 50 kilowatt hours as the basic, and that'll get you, like if you're doing a road trip, basically I would take a look at it is like, you're going to stop for a bathroom break anyways, right? You're going to stop for food, so they're usually located in a place that's pretty convenient. You can just stop for a little bit, charge up the car, you're already doing something else, and it just fits into your trip. You do a little bit of extra planning, but not too much. Most of the vehicles are pretty good at, like especially the Tesla, what I'm more used to, you can type in charging and it will show you a lot of options.
Hey. Oh, this is
So much space.
cool. What? I can see.
Rear facing, children's size seats.
I love it.
So we might not even have to bring our own car seats here. And Ollie and I will have a little quiet time.
Double click to open.
The key looks like a car.
Yeah. Single click
Like this
to lock.
exact car actually. Yeah. Baby Tesla.
The vehicle, I've got it on my setting, John, there, but if you click John up at the top, we've got, first name Lily there.
That's
If you'd
right.
like to make that your seat setting, and that way I can keep my seat settings the
Yeah.
way they are.
It adapted the
Oh
seat.
my god.
Yeah, so it'll adapt the seat. There are a lot of settings that can change. Got lots and lots. The other thing I'll say is have fun with the car and accelerate fast, but don't go too fast.
Yeah.
Because you guys don't look like you've got the need for speed. I've seen some people, but it is very quick.
Yeah.
You guys, he's gonna be
I think
driving.
we'll practice it. We're going to Vulcan today, so we'll find a quiet
Yeah.
road, and I think he's gonna give it a go.
Oh, they're gonna like rocket mode. People have got different names for it, but just accelerating quickly. When I like to go fast, I don't even have to push it down all the way, because it's like,
Yeah, you
it's
don't
got that
want-
much kick. It's
Yeah.
very fast. So trust me, it's hard to go back. If this is your first experience, when you guys come back in a couple days, you're gonna be like,
Good luck.
Buying this one.
yeah, exactly. It's so weird.
We're driving, and it literally makes no noise. Like there's no sound, just from like the car driving on the road. So weird.
I thought we would like go fast.
Oh yeah.
We are 45 minutes away from Vulcan. Very excited. Ollie is having a very good time right now on driving Tesla. He's activated self-driving mode, just keeping his hands on the wheel, and the car is steering itself, following the road. It's very surreal feeling, like what next, flying cars? But it's really cool. We're very, very excited about driving this car. It feels amazing. It's very low to the ground, so it feels a bit strange compared to our pretty tall van. But yeah, the girls are loving it. I think Anais is falling asleep. She's out. And we'll see you guys when we get to Vulcan. We're meeting a lady there who will be able to tell us more about Vulcan and what it's known for. I'll get back to you when we get there. It is a bit hazy today, but you can see the mountains in the background there. Not too far. And the gorgeous Alberta prairies. It's beautiful. Here we are. This is the Star Trek Museum. It looks adorable. Now we're gonna go explore. And I think the charger is over there for the car. Do you want to go check it out? So we met Bonnie here, and we will plug the car. We've got a little adapter for this particular charger. We'll plug the car in, take the girls to the Star Trek Museum. Looks awesome.
United States to Switzerland to here in Canada, and so it's kind of cool that we're such a small town, but a lot of people know about us.
And that's thanks to Star Trek, right?
Yeah, that's because of Star Trek. Otherwise, there's not very many other little towns like that that have that notoriety,
Yeah.
and we're just lucky that we do.
so far has been pretty awesome. That little museum is so adorable. And now we're going to check out these little spaceships. And this one is called a solar tree, if I'm not mistaken. And those are solar panels to generate energy for wherever we are charging the car right now. So cool.
These letters?
That's
What's
inclined
the
on.
first one? Looks like an E.
Welcome to Vulcan. And the car is charging. We're heading back in the car. We'll try and find a little park for the girls to play because they've been really good with all the driving we did today. And then we'll go exploring the area some more. The charger is showing us some numbers and the charge level is 89% now. I think we'll be good to go. Alright, Anais, press the red button to stop the charging. Good job. Good job.
Nice and safe.
We stopped for a bit here in Vulcan to let the girls run around. We found a playground and now we're on a mission. We want to find the wind turbines, and Bonnie told us that they're not far, somewhere about 20 kilometers from here. We'll try to find them and we'll show you. Apparently there is so many because we're in the prairies and it's windy. Vulcan is one of the sunniest places in Alberta, so they have big plans to introduce solar energy here, like very soon, and wind energy here has been for quite a few years because it's in the prairies and it's windy, so they're making a use of that, which is amazing, and we're gonna try and find them. Start the engine. The what?
It is started.
It's so quiet. Let's go.
Let me adjust the seats. Look, first name Lily.
We have our own settings. And the seats go the way we adjusted them previously. It remembers. How is it so quiet? Can't hear anything. Okay. We're activating super speed mode. Oh my god! It's so fast. We found them, the gentle giants. It's so peaceful here because how far we are from anything, like right in the middle of nowhere in the prairies. And currently these big boys are generating all the wind power. It's incredible, beautiful area. So here we are at our final destination for this video, at the wind turbines right near Vulcan, Alberta. We've had such an amazing day with this electric vehicle. Beautiful, beautiful car. And definitely Ollie is seriously considering an electric vehicle for our next car because of how efficient it is in every way, how safe it is in every way, and it supports the renewable energy efforts in the province. For more information about the renewable energy initiatives in the province and in Calgary, check out the link in the bio and let me know what you think, what you guys do to support these initiatives. Thank you so much for joining us for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and we'll see you all again next time.